Everybody, in today's lecture we are going to study about average. Okay, in that, first, the definition of average, we can say that if x1, x2, x3 up to xn are n values of variables, then the average of those values is given by average is equal to sum of these observation or values, that means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus up to xn upon a number of values, which is n. Okay, so also we can say that in remark you can say that the average is also called as mean. The average is also called as mean. Okay, and also observation or values whose average is to be computed must be in same units. Okay, so these values which we have given should have a same units, then only we can find their average. Okay, if they are not in same unit, we have to make in a same unit, and then after we have to do a calculation. And in second remark, you can say that if x bar is an average of x1 plus x2 plus up to xn upon n, so we can say that we also say that x1 plus x2 plus up to xn is equal to n into x bar. Okay, that means sum of all observations is equal to number of observation into average, number of observation into average. Okay, next remark can be said that the average of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, natural numbers means if we define n as a natural number, they are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Okay, positive integers. Okay, which will be done in next unit. In set you will study about natural number, integers and more. And next remark can be said that the average of first n even natural number is n plus 1. Okay, and you can also say that these are the results which you have studied in previous classes. So you have to remember these statements. The average of first n odd natural numbers is n. Okay, the average of first n odd natural number is n. Next remark is sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. That is, you can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n can be written as n into n plus 1 upon 2. Okay, so now we go through the examples. So here first example is find the average of first n natural numbers. Find the average of first n natural numbers. Now here we have to define x bar be the average of first n natural number. First n natural numbers, that is first n natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n. Okay, then x bar is equal to addition of this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus so on up to n, and they are n natural numbers. So number of observations or number of values is equal to n. So here you can say that, and addition of first n natural numbers, addition of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and totally divided by n. Okay, in bracket you can say that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to n is equal to n plus 1 into n by 2. Okay, so here n will be get cancelled and it's only remain n plus 1 upon 2. X bar is equal to, which is our this required solution. Okay, next example, number 2. If you consider find the average of first n even numbers. Okay, first we have to know that what is an even number. So here even numbers means the number which are in the form of multiple of 2 is known as even number, as n belongs to z. Okay, so first n even natural number, you have to consider here even natural numbers, positive only. So here even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and up to so on, and last will be nth will be 2 into n. Okay, because n is our nth term, so multiplied by 2 it will be twice n, which will be nth even number. Okay, so here first we have to define first n even natural numbers. First n even natural numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on up to twice n, and let x bar be the average. Okay, so we can say that x bar is equal to, so here even numbers are 2, 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus so on up to twice n, divided by, here numbers, they are n numbers. How many? First n natural numbers, so number of observations will be n. Okay, n. So here if we take 2 common, because in each term there is 2 present. Okay, so if we take 2 as a common term, so it will be remains 2 into bracket, 2 ones are 2, so it first term will be 1 plus 2 2 are 4, so second term will be 2. Next we have taken 2 common, or divide all terms by 2, so it will be 2 into bracket, 2 divided by 2 is 1, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 6 divided by 2 is 3, 8 divided by 4 or 2 is 4 and so on up to last twice n divided by n is n. Twice n divided by 2 is n. Okay, and divided by n. So if you see the bracket, it is addition of first n natural number, so it will be 2 into bracket n into n plus 1 divided by 2 and totally divided by n. Okay, as this formula is here, you have to write 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, addition of first n natural number. So here 2 will get cancelled because it is multiple into divide, and here remains n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So here divided by n cancel, it only remains n plus 1. So x bar is equal to n plus 1. Okay, so which means addition of first n even numbers is equal to n plus 1. Okay, now consider the next example. If the average of 5 consecutive number is 48, then find the product of at least and greatest number. Okay, so here in solution, let the 5 consecutive numbers be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and x plus 4. Okay, so these 5 consecutive numbers are okay. Now let x bar be the average. Here given that average of this consecutive number is 48. So x bar is given 48 and n is equal to 5. Number of conjugates are 5. So we know that formula is x bar is equal to addition of these conjugates x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4 divided by n. Okay, so which is equal to, here x bar is 48, x which is 5 times 1 2 3 4 5, so which will be 5x plus, now it is 1 plus 2 3 plus 3 6 plus 4 10, so it is 10 divided by n is 5. So here it can be written as 48 is equal to 5 into bracket x plus 2 divided by 5. 5 will get cancelled. 48 is equal to x plus 2. So x can be written as 48 minus 2, which is equal to 46. So we get x is equal to 46. So our conjugates, 5 conjugates numbers are 4. Here x is equal to 46, therefore 5 consecutive numbers are, first is 46 because x is equal to 46, x plus 1 it is 47, 48, 49 and 50. Okay, so these are our consecutive numbers, and we have to find the product of least and greatest number. Now here smallest number is 46 and greatest is 50. So product of, or required product, we can write required product is equal to least multiplied by greatest is equal to 46 multiplied by 50, which gives 2300. Okay, which is our required answer. Okay, in this example you can also use the result as the average of n consecutive natural numbers. Here n consecutive natural numbers are considered x first, x plus 1, x plus 2 up to x plus n is x plus n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, in this example we have given n is equal to 5. That means first 5 consecutive natural numbers. Okay, so for first 5 consecutive natural number is considered as x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3 and x plus 4. Okay, so by using this formula, average of this x bar will be directly written as x plus n is here 5 minus 1 is 4 upon 2 is 2. So you will get x bar is equal to x plus 2, which means 48 is equal to x plus 2, which gives x is equal to 46. Okay, so from both of any method you can use in exam. Okay, if you have given in general, so you have to use this result only. Okay, now consider the next example. The average of 4 consecutive even number, here given even number is 65. What is the product of smallest and largest number? Now here let 4 consecutives even numbers be, now here first consecutive 4 even numbers, consider x as a first even number consecutive. Next it will be x plus 2. If you consider x plus 1, you know that even plus odd, 1 is odd number, so 2 plus 1 is 3. If you consider 4 as a even number, 4 plus 1 is odd number, 4 plus 3 odd number. So we have to consider as a even number. Even plus even is always even. So you have to consider even number. So here first, if you consider x as a even, so first is x, next x plus 2, next x plus 4, okay, and next it will be x plus 6. We required only 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 consecutive even numbers, okay. So here, and x bar is given as a 65. So here you can write x bar is equal to addition of these two, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6, okay, divided by 4, because number of consecutive even numbers are 4, okay. So x bar is 65 here is equal to, its addition is x plus x plus x plus x is 4x plus 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 is 12 divided by 4, which gives, here it is, you divide both terms, it will gives x plus 3. So x plus 3 is equal to 65, which means x is equal to 65 minus 3. Here plus 3 will become minus 3, which is 62. So x is equal to 62. Okay. So our 4 consecutives are, here first is 62. 62 plus 62 is 64. Next it is 66, and last it is 68. Okay. And we have to find the product. So we can write required product is equal to, smallest is 62 and largest is 68, which will gives us as 4216, okay, which will be average of first 4 consecutive even number. Sorry, which will be a product of largest and smallest here, okay. Question is, the average of A, B, C is 11. So you can say that average of A, B, C, which means there are 3 observations, A plus B plus C upon 3, its average is 11. Okay. Next, average of C, D and E, which means again C plus D plus E upon 3 is equal to 17. Next, it is given that average of E and F is 22. So E plus F upon 2 is equal to 22. And lastly, it is given that average of E and C, which means E plus C upon 2, number of observation is 2 only, is equal to 17. So we have to find the average of A, B, C, D and E. Okay. So from these 4 equations we can write A plus B plus C. From first it can be written as A plus B plus C is equal to 3. Here it is divided, it will be multiply on right side. 11 into 3 is 33. Now here C plus D plus E is equal to 17 into 3, which is 51. Next, E plus F is equal to 44, and last E plus C is equal to 34. Okay. Now we can write here, we have to find A plus B plus C plus D plus E, okay, plus F. So here E and F, okay. So first here it is ABC, A plus B plus C, okay, plus here it is C plus D plus E, C plus D plus E, okay. Next here it is E plus F, E plus F, okay. Now here it is E and C. Now if we observe from first 3, here A is single, B is single, C is 2 time, D is single, E is 2 time, F is single, okay. And here given E and C again. So you can subtract E plus C, because E minus E 1 cancel and C minus C will 1 cancel, which equal to, now A plus B plus C is 33 plus 51 plus 44, and here it is minus 34, okay. So we will get 33 plus 51 plus 44, which is 128 minus 34, which will be equal to 94. Okay, this is our right side. Now here left it will be a plus b plus c plus d plus plus here it is c plus d plus e plus f minus e minus c. Now here plus e minus c 1 cancel, here plus c minus c cancel, so it only remain a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f. Okay, so which is our required solution. Now it is our answer a plus c. We have a question that find the average of it. So average of this will be, now number of observations will be 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So average x bar is equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f upon number of observation is 6. Now which is equal to, here its calculation addition is 94 upon 6. X bar is equal to, which will gives us as 15.66. Okay, so x bar is 15.66. Okay, which is our required average. Okay, given next question is, the average of x and y is 20 years. If z were to replace x, the average age would be 19 years, and if z were to replace y, the average age would be 21 years. What are the ages of x, y and z? Okay, we have to find the ages of x, y and z. Now here first consider, let the ages into bracket in years of x, y and z, x, y and z be x comma y and z respectively. Okay, now it is given part is from first average of x and y, which means we have x plus y is equal to, there are number of observations are 2, x plus y. So here 2 observations, which means x plus y is equal upon 2 is equal to 20, which is our first equation. If z were replaced to x, now in this if we replace x by z, so it will be z plus y upon it is again 2, its average is 19. Okay, and if z were to replace by y, now in first if z is replaced by y, so x plus z upon 2, its average is 21. Okay, so we have to find the ages of x, y and z. Okay, so here from first it can be find x plus y is equal to 40. From second it is z plus y is equal to 19 into 2 is 38, and from third it is x plus z is equal to 42. Okay, now so adding this all, x plus y plus z plus y plus x plus z, because all of they are twice, is equal to 40 plus 38 plus 42. Okay, so its addition will be x plus x is twice x plus twice y, y plus y is twice y plus twice z is equal to 48 plus 32 plus 42 is 120. Okay, so here 2 can be written as common, which means 2 into bracket x plus y plus z is equal to 120. So therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 120 divided by 2, which is 60. Okay, so addition of these 3 is 60. So we have an equation x plus y plus z is equal to 60. So x plus y plus z is equal to 60, and we also have y plus z is equal to 38. Y plus z is equal to 38, which implies that x plus 38 is equal to 60, which implies, now we have put y plus z as 38. So from this 2 it can be written as x plus 38 is equal to 60, which means x is equal to 60 minus 38, which will gives us as x is equal to 22. Okay, here x will be equal to 22. Okay, again you can use x plus y plus z is equal to 60, and also we have x plus y is equal to 40. X plus y is equal to 40, so which will gives 40 plus z is equal to 60. So which will implies now z is equal to 60 minus 40, which will gives z is equal to 20. Okay, and to last we will put x and z in this. So x plus y plus z is equal to 60, and or you can write x plus z is equal to 42. First and last is 42 plus y is equal to 60, which implies y is equal to 60 minus 42. Sorry, it will gives us as 20, y is equal to 18. Okay, so which is our required solution, which are in years. So you can write here, hence the age of x, y and z, ages of x, y and z are 22, 18, 20 respectively. Okay, which is our required solution. Okay, so for today we will stop here. In next lecture we will study about combined average and examples related to averages. Okay, thank you.